So here's a couple ways on restarting your iPhone 16e. The first one is quite a conventional one. You have to open up your settings, open up your general tab. Then we have to scroll down to shut down and simply slide to power off, or we can use this combination, hold our power button and our volume up button and slide to power off as well. The second method is called a soft reset, and for that method we will need our volume up, volume down, and our power button. So press your volume up, press your volume down, and hold your power button. Keep on holding it. And only when your screen will go dark, like right now, you can release your finger. Now your phone is off, and as you see, it's already restarting. But basically that's it. I hope this video is helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day and please consider subscribing to our channel.